shop. Well, did you know that Hannah Hair Factory has moved from 379 Anton Lembede Street to 4 Queen Street, Durban? Yes, shop number 19. That's where we are. If you are looking for those bulk purchases of hair, remember that we are the shop that can give you in bulks and yet in singular pieces. Hannah Hair Factory shop. We are here for you. Do check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Hannah Hair Factory shop. Welcome back. We are still at Hannah Hair Factory shop where we are exploring all the ranges within the shop. Well, right now we are standing in front of wigs. Remember, Hannah Hair provides you with wigs, weaves and all sorts of hair. And Mrs. Hannah is just about to take us through the wig area. Mrs. Hannah, thank you so much for welcoming us in once again. You do have right. That's D-Way. Wow. So ladies, this is what you call beauty. Oh, I love the texture of this. I love the texture. You know, you can just run your eye. I don't know what we all call our eyes. The straighteners. You can just ride the straightener all through this and in such an easy way get it done. Wow. Okay, what do we call this one? Deep waves. For those ladies who just want to get up and go, this is for you. Can we get this in different colors? Oh, right, I like that. You can get it in different colors. Wow. Peruvian. I like the color. Ladies, what do you think? Peruvian. This is beautiful. Can you get this one in different lengths? Oh, okay, different sizes. Ah, that's great. And also I see some inches right here. Whoa! For those slave queens, this is for you.
We have 8 to 40 inch.
8 to 40 inch. Did you hear that? Okay, you can get it right here at Hannah Hair Factory. 40 inches.